Bloomberg reports that by 2032, the generative AI market could reach $1.3 trillion, compared to the U.S.'s annual GDP of approximately $25 trillion. PricewaterhouseCoopers, PwC, is even more optimistic, predicting that the generative AI market will reach $15.7 trillion by 2030. The two forecasts have a massive gap. We don't know which will prove correct. We do know that the AI sector will experience unprecedented growth. This technology will continuously evolve and improve. The rate of growth, however, depends on several critical factors. The three essential resources AI models need include electricity, data, and computing power. The availability of new training data is a rather sensitive topic, considering that using social media data and website proprietary data to train huge foundation models can be unethical. At the same time, it seems that LLMs will become even larger. It'll be interesting to witness how the Internet's largest data owners approach this issue. Perhaps we'll see even more licensing deals than those announced by OpenAI. Moreover, in some regions, governments will likely impose AI regulations, prohibiting training models with users' private data, unless certain agreements exist. We might even see organizations that develop LLMs willing to pay users to access their personal data and train models with it. It will be interesting to see how AI developers tackle the challenge posed by the increasing volume of AI-generated content on the Internet. If that content is used to train new AI models, it could create feedback loops, diminish the accuracy of AI models, and amplify existing biases. Secondly, we must consider that large and sophisticated language models require substantial electricity. As people find new applications for AI and the adoption of AI models grows globally, the overall usage and, consequently, the electricity demand for AI is set to skyrocket. At some point, we must evaluate AI's global energy and carbon footprint and consider how the demand for AI services impacts global energy prices. Consider this report title from the Conference Board, an independent business membership and research association. The rise of AI threatens to explode U.S. electricity demand and overburden the grid, but also promises new efficiencies. Right now, it appears that AI will play an essential role in shaping future energy prices. Finally, we need computing power to develop and operate state-of-the-art Gen AI models, extremely capable AI chips. In 2023 and 2024, the U.S. chipmaker NVIDIA skyrocketed in value because it found itself as the best-positioned player to capitalize on the growing demand for semiconductors driven by the AI hype created by ChatGPT. There seems to be a significant shortage of high-quality AI chips, but that might change because NVIDIA's huge profits have attracted the attention of other semiconductor producers. The other major plotline in the AI industry is whether the AI models developed by the open-source community will become competitive with closed-source AI. Alternatively, big tech firms like Google and OpenAI will continue to dominate the market. Regardless of the outcome, witnessing firsthand the transformative impact that AI will have on various aspects of our lives will be thrilling, potentially surpassing the changes brought by the digital revolution of the Internet. I want to thank you for sticking until the end of the Intro to AI course. It has been an absolute pleasure being with you. I hope that you learned a lot and will check out more of 365's AI courses. Good luck, and thank you.